Pourquoi? Why? Pourquoi? Why? Okay? So, if you ask a question with pourquoi? Why? Normally, the answer that you will have will start with whether parce que, because, okay? Or then pour plus one verb at the infinitive form, so the basic form, okay? So whether parce que, and then you just start a sentence, or then pour plus a verb at the infinitive form, okay? Let's see now some examples. First question, pourquoi es-tu ici? Pourquoi es-tu ici? Okay? Ici means here. Es-tu, are you? Why are you here? Pourquoi es-tu ici? So the first answer, parce que, so because, je suis invité, I am invited, by Nicolas. Because I am invited by Nicolas. Parce que je suis invité par Nicolas. Okay, so normally when you start with the parce que, so you want to express the reason why, okay? Parce que je suis invité par Nicolas. Alright? And then, other option would be pour passer la soirée. So in that case, passer should be translated like spend, okay? Pour, to spend, pour passer la soirée, the evening, avec, with, vous, you. Pour passer la soirée avec vous, to spend the evening with you. And in that case, when you will start your answer with pour, okay? So you will express what will you will do after that, okay? Pour passer la soirée avec vous, okay? And in that case, parce que, you want to introduce the reason why, okay? So that's the way we will construct answers when you will ask a question with pourquoi, okay?